Hello students, I am here. Today I am going to teach you chapter number 10, that is percentage. Okay. So today my topic is to find quantity of a given percentage and to express a quantity as a percentage of another. Okay. So what is the topic? To find quantity of a given percentage and to express a quantity as a percentage of another. Okay. So some of the word problems based on to find the quantity of the given percentage. So here is one problem here. In an examination, Rudra scored 82%. 82% if the total marks in the examination was 800. What were the marks obtained by him? So, Rudra total marks how much? Solution. Total marks, that is how much? 800. Okay. Rudra scored percentage of marks. How much percent? 82. Okay. I have written percentage, so no need to write here on 82. Okay, write percentage of marks 82. So marks obtained by him we are going to get how much marks he has got. So we will find 82% of 800 marks. We will find 82% of 800 marks. So what is the 82% of 800? Okay, 82% means 100, of means multiply, and 800. Okay. So now simplify. Cut these two zeros with two zeros. Now multiply 82 by 8. Hurry up, multiply. You should be ready with your book, notebook, and pen, pencil. But okay. So multiply 82 by 8. Yes. What's the answer? Be quick. 82 by 8. Hurry up. Are you getting 656 marks? Okay. Have you got 656? You are right. Very good. Okay. Now, whenever some problems are based on percentage to find the percentage. Okay. Then what do? Suppose you get out of 80 50 marks. Then how the percentage will be calculated? You will write percentage of marks is equal to marks secured by you divided by total marks into 100%. Into 100%. Okay, then you will calculate the percentage of marks got by you. Suppose out of 80 here I can do. Out of 80 you have got 50 marks. So percentage of marks will be multiply with 100%. Cut with 1 0. Then 2 5 ja, 2 4 ja, 2 2 ja 4, 2 25 ja. Means you have got 62.5% marks. Okay. First of all, how to calculate the percentage of marks? Marks secured divided by total marks into 100%. In this way you will calculate the percentage of marks. Then comes to other topic here, to express a quantity as a percentage of another. Okay, to calculate a quantity of a given number, percentage, quantity of a given percentage. Then to express a quantity as a percentage of another. Suppose here question is here for exercise here 10.2. Okay, 10.2 question number 2. This is 10.2 question number 2. Read the question. Express the first quantity as a percentage of the second. So this is the first quantity, 2.5 will be written as numerator, and this 50 will be written as denominator, and multiply by 100%. So this 2.5 can be converted into fraction. 2.5, 25 upon 10 into 50, then into 100%. Now simplify 10 with 10, 10 with 10. So it is 5%. How much is it? It is 5%. It is 5%. Okay. Now we are going to find this first quantity as a percentage of second. Here 45 minutes and 2 hours. So 2 hours can be written as 2 into 60 minutes, because in 1 hour there are 60 minutes. So these hours will be converted into minutes. So 120 minutes. Okay. Now 45 will be taken as numerator, and these 2 hours converted into minutes will be taken as denominator and multiply by 100%. Now simplify. Hurry up. Simplify. What are you getting? Hurry up. Simplify. Simplify with 10. 3 1 ja 3, 3 5 ja 15, 3 4 ja 12, 2 2 ja 4, 2 5 ja 10. This is 75.2%, or you can write 37.5%. Okay, please note down, and you should be very fast in calculation. Okay, you should be very fast in calculation. Please note down, and whatever the videos are being sent to you, please watch those videos carefully. Okay, then you will learn day by day. Something you will learn day by day. Hurry up, do this, and you will solve question number 2, CD part as it is. And now this is the third question. Write the percentage of first unit in relation to the second. In relation to the second. Hurry up, note down till then. Similarly, you will solve question number 2, CD part. CD part. Now, next question is here. Write the percentage of first unit. Question is, you will revise the examples also carefully before exercise. There are some examples. Okay, revise those examples and make maths as regular practice, because math subject is excelled with regular practice. Okay, regular practice is needed. Now let's come to the third question. Write the percentage of first unit Question number 3. Write the percentage of first unit in relation to the second. In relation to the second. So question is here, 96 paise is ₹12. Okay, we will write the percentage. Means when we will find the percentage of this, percentage of rupees, then we will get answer in here paise. So here how this question can be done, let x percent, you will convert this rupees solution, ₹12, how many paise in 12 rupees? 1200, 1200 paise. Okay, I have converted into same unit. Okay, now we can solve it like this. Let x percent of, when we will find the percentage of the bigger unit, then we will get the answer in the smaller unit, or maybe it in the bigger unit. So let x percent of this 1200 be equal to how much? It is given to 96. It is 96 paise. So x percent means x upon 100. Of means multiply by 1200, should be equal to 96. Okay. Now simplify 20 with 2 zeros. You are left with 12x is equal to 96. So x is equal to 96 upon 12. Now tables. 12 8, 12 under 12, 12 8. So it will be how much? 8%. So x will be is equal to 8%. It is the 8%. Means this 96 paise is how much? 8% of ₹12. 8% of paise 1200. Okay, this is 96 paise is how much percentage? 8% of ₹12, or paise how much? 1200. Okay, in this way you will solve the other problems. Let's take other part of this exercise 10.2. Okay, you will calculate the percentage of the bigger unit and will equate to the smaller unit. Okay, then other question, big part here of question number 3. It is B part. 1.5 meter is what? Write the percentage of first unit, means first unit 1.5 meter is how much in relation to the second? 750 centimeter. It is 1.5 meter. This is B part. 1.5 meter is how much? Now, let same here. First see the units. It is 1.5 meter. 1.5 meter means how much? It is 150 centimeter. Okay. And this is a smaller unit and this is a bigger one. So let x% of this bigger unit will be the smaller unit. of 750 is equal to 150. We will take the percentage of the bigger unit, that will be equal to the smaller unit. Then x percent means x upon 100, of means multiply 750 is equal to 150. Now simplify. You should be very fast because this is 0 with 0. You will write here 75x upon 10 is equal to 150. So x is equal to cross product. This 10 will be with 150 upon this will be with the denominator of 150. So now simplify. 15 5 is 75. 5. This is 20%. How much it is? It is 20%. It is 20%. Okay. Similarly, you can solve other parts. Here 20 gram is 1 whole 1 upon 4 kg. How much is 1 whole 1 upon 4 kg? 1 kg means 1000 grams, and 1/4 of 1 kg, how much? It is how much? Divide 1000 by 4. 1/4 of 1 kg means how much? It is 250 grams. It is 250 grams. Okay. So 1 whole 1 upon 4 kg is how much? You will convert kilogram into grams. 1 whole 1 upon 4 kg is equal to 1000 grams plus how much grams? How many grams? 250 grams. Then you will find that x percent of 1250 grams is equal to how many grams here? 20 grams is equal to 20 grams, and then you will get the percentage. You will get the percentage. In D part, days, 2 days is 30 hours. So days are bigger. So you will find x percent of 2 days. 2 days means how many hours in 2 days? In 1 day there are 24 hours. In 2 days there are how many hours? 24 into 2, 48 hours. So you will find x percentage of 48 hours is equal to how much? It is 30 hours. So then you will simplify in this way. Okay. And your homework is you will complete question number 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. You will complete question number 4, 5, 6, 7. This is your homework. Homework is, I can write here. Homework, do exercise 10 point here. 10 point, this is 2. This is 10.2. Question number 4, 5, 6, 7. Question. Do questions 4 to 7. This is your homework. Okay. Percentage. Yes. Yes, do your work regularly. Okay. Okay. So stay alert, stay healthy, mask yourself and keep proper distance from each other and be protected from COVID-19. Thank you. Have a nice day.